Hurricane season is a reality for homeowners in Miami Beach. With strong winds, flying debris, heavy rain, and storm surges, protecting your property isn't optional, it's essential. While many people focus on windows, entry points like doors are just as critical. Impact doors provide powerful protection during storms, helping safeguard your home, your belongings, and your peace of mind. If you live in Miami Beach, here's how impact doors play a vital role in hurricane preparedness. Built to withstand extreme wind pressure during a hurricane, wind pressure can place tremendous stress on your home's structure. Standard doors are not designed to handle these forces. If a door fails, high winds can enter your home, increasing internal pressure and potentially causing roof or structural damage. Impact doors are engineered and tested to meet strict wind load standards. They feature reinforced cores, heavy-duty frames, and strong anchoring systems that help them remain secure even under intense wind conditions. For Miami Beach properties exposed to coastal winds, this strength is critical. Protection from flying debris. One of the greatest dangers during a hurricane is airborne debris. Branches, roofing materials, and other objects can become high-speed projectiles. If debris breaks through a standard door, it can cause interior damage and allow wind and rain to enter. Impact doors are constructed with impact-resistant materials and, when glass is included, laminated impact glass. Laminated glass contains a strong interlayer that holds the glass together even if struck. Instead of shattering, it remains intact, maintaining the protective barrier. This design significantly reduces the risk of breach during a storm. Preventing water intrusion. Heavy rain often accompanies hurricane-force winds. Water infiltration can lead to interior damage, mold growth, and costly repairs. Impact doors are designed with tight compression seals, reinforced weather stripping, and proper threshold systems. When professionally installed, they create a secure seal that helps prevent wind-driven rain from entering your home. In Miami Beach's storm-prone environment, this moisture protection is just as important as impact resistance. Reinforced frames and hardware. A door is only as strong as its frame. Impact door systems include reinforced frames anchored securely into the structure of your home. Heavy-duty hinges, multi-point locking systems, and strengthened strike plates all contribute to overall performance. Multi-point locks secure the door at multiple locations along the frame, distributing pressure evenly. This added reinforcement helps the door stay firmly in place during high wind events. Compliance with local building codes. Miami Beach has some of the strictest building codes in the country due to its coastal location. Impact doors are designed to meet or exceed these code requirements. Installing code-compliant impact doors not only enhances safety but may also provide insurance benefits. Many insurance providers recognize the protective value of impact-rated products, which can result in potential premium savings. Year-round benefits. Beyond storm season. While hurricane protection is the primary reason many homeowners invest in impact doors, the benefits extend beyond storm season. Impact doors also provide improved security against forced entry, better energy efficiency with insulated cores, reduced outside noise, enhanced curb appeal. These added advantages make impact doors a smart long-term investment for Miami Beach properties. Peace of mind when it matters most. When a hurricane is approaching, the last thing you want to worry about is whether your home is properly protected. Impact doors provide confidence that your primary entry points are fortified against extreme conditions. Rather than installing temporary storm panels or plywood, impact doors offer permanent, built-in protection that's always ready. A smart investment for Miami Beach homes. Living in Miami Beach means preparing for hurricane season each year. Upgrading to impact doors strengthens one of the most vulnerable areas of your home. With reinforced materials, laminated glass, tight seals, and secure locking systems, impact doors help protect against wind, debris, and water intrusion. For homeowners seeking reliable, long-lasting protection, impact doors are not just an upgrade, They're an essential safeguard for coastal living,